Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from FreshRamen4All.com. Yeah, you can go and get fresh ramen delivered straight to your door from the US, and if you use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, you can get a discount. Really curious about this. I've tried a couple other ramen delivery outlets before, but we'll see how this one is. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. So the proprietor Tori-san sent 3 different varieties. And the first one, as you can see here, is curry miso. Let's look in here and see what we've got. Got a freezer pack. Ooh, we got some chashu, our noodle, big sack of broth, some nori, bean sprouts, fried shallot, and green onion. So everything you need to make this curry miso. Cool. Let's check the other ones out. Here we've got a tonkatsu, the noodles, chashu, some nori, wood ear mushroom, green onion, and pickled ginger. Finally, the Nagoya ramen, noodles, broth, ground pork, bean sprouts, green onions, and Chinese chives. Well, cool. Thank you for checking this out. Yeah, if you want to get some of these, head on over to FreshRamen4All.com. They're also on Etsy, so you can find them on there. And use the coupon code The Ramen Raider and you can get yourself a nice discount. So big thanks to Tori-san for sending these over and contacting me about giving these a try. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.